So I have decided to create an unboxing video, and as a part 2 of the video I will create a comparison with the budget model I had, a bit of review and stuff. I'm no audiophile in any scale, but yeah, I'll just give my 2 cents and see if it helps anybody, really. So let's do the unboxing. I already opened this side. I'll just have to cut it through this way, and should be fairly easy. So this was a very heavy box. At the side of this it's saying the cross weight of this one is 20.5 kilo. In metric system, I don't know what it is in pounds, so you'll have to do the math in Google. So it is very heavy, and sorry, a call came and I had to get interrupted, obviously. So as you can see, this is a very heavy box and a very big box for me, and I don't see a handle for this one anywhere here. So I think I'll just open the inside box, because the outside is just the shipper, the inside one is the speaker box, I believe. So I'll just open it from here. No point of, doing a bit of hassle with this one as well. Just, open it from here, see what's what, hey? So, holy, this is a big box. So I always knew that the dimensions of these speakers are like quite big, and I was very concerned about the size, and the more and more I'm opening, the more and more I'm confused if this was the right purchase due to the size. I'll do a comparison video with the size later on with the other one I had, but how about let's put it aside and bring out the accessories first, and then we'll just take it apart piece by piece. Okay, so what we have here is the cables, nicely packaged. I don't think they're very high quality, but these will have to do for now. Optical cable. We have the very nice remote control here. Yeah, it's very nice looking. I really like the look and feel of this remote. It's not too heavy. I would like a bit of heft as well, but I guess it's the material. It's probably not, yeah, not very premium, but at least it looks very nice for sure. Some paper I'll never read, and there goes the top shelf. So I'll just get it open and get rid of this one. Now this is the hard part. It is the speakers themselves, and they are not budging at all. So I'll have to grab this one. Oh, these are very nicely packaged. I'll just put it here for now, and then I'll grab the other one. Let's see. Okay, right, so that's the other one, and then there is a box there for, it says includes a speaker connection cable, so that's that. Let's see if I have anything in here anymore. No, so I will just put it back there to get rid of this later on in a single go, because why bother with 2 packages? And let's look at the speakers themselves, shall we? Okay, so from the look of it, this is the right speaker, and this is the left one. How do I know? Because this one have a power cable, and as I've been telling, I'm sure we, like all of you basically, I had read a bit of I have done a bit of reading myself, and watched tons of videos myself anyway, and probably, I don't know if there is like a proper unboxing of this video, of these speakers as well, but you get the drill. So yeah, very nice material, felt. So the speakers, and I'll just get rid of this one. Okay, done. I'll just get rid of this. Similarly, this one also has a bit of hole in there. Okay, And I'll just get this one as well. So, and of course there is a bit of tape going on around. I'll just need to figure out where to open it from. There you go. And I'll have to open it from underneath. Okay. This is a bit slippery and I'm worried that I'm gonna drop the speakers before even I've looked at it. You know how terrible that can be. So there you go. It's opening nicely and voila. Very nice looking. Well, the finishing is very smooth, very nice. Everybody is telling this was not real wood, and I mean, unless you touch it, it looks like real wood. But of course, you know it's once you know that it's not real wood. I mean, like for the price point I got it for, I would very much like for it to be a real wood, but I guess they were just trying to save as much money as they can on the production, so that I don't know, maybe they saved it for ourselves as well. But yeah, I mean, I think a bit of wood would not hurt, at least. Anyway, let's see this one. I'll just revert. That way it's easier. Okay, so come on. There you go. These are heavy speakers, as you can tell. I mean, probably I'm struggling a lot more because, as you can tell, I'm very muscular. And I'll keep these, I don't know, for later. So that's what it comes with. This is the left, this is the right. The power cable, it doesn't come with many things, and it doesn't need to, basically. It has a Bluetooth aptX 5 version, which is on its own. Oh, okay. So this one goes from speaker 1 to speaker 2, and as you can see, it's almost as thick as my finger, and I'm not sure how long it is. I think it's quite long, basically. Probably I'll just find out, and I'll put a comment, or not comment, of course, a comment or description below how long it is. I think from memory it's quite long. So you can place them like really apart. So as you can tell, these are the speakers. You have the mesh grill, very nice looking. It's not magnetic. That's the second grip I had. These are not magnetic because, I mean, yes, the S3000 Pro from memory are magnetic, and I would love for this to be magnetic, but yeah, what can you do? But for the price, I think I can't complain too much, really. I haven't heard these more personally yet, obviously, because I'm just unboxing them. But if I'm going by the reviews I have read, or I've seen the online videos and stuff, I think they're very good. The S3000 Pros, the reason I didn't go for them is because they are probably just a tad bit higher, and the ones I have is probably just here. I'll bring them out. I'll bring them out for a comparison, and you'll see like how taller they are. The desk I have, I keep it tidy and compact, and these are definitely not compact, but for a better sound quality, I believe this is what I needed to do, and so there you go. Let me know if you have any questions or anything that I can answer. But before you go, I will put this in my speaker review on the part 2 later on anyway. But if you want to look into the rear of the actual input channel, so as you can tell, so there are like 2 line-ins. I drive it with my USB interface because I do the recording and stuff, of course, and then I do have like I create some music videos and stuff as well. So I do drive them from here, and that's another reason, because I don't know how good is that, how good this will be. Probably not much, but at least if it has a monitor type input in it, so I'm hoping that I will get a flat card without any coloring or anything. That will help me edit the videos and the sounds when I'm recording them. So yeah, so that's the line 1 and 2. You have optical cable. That's the optical cable it comes with. Very short, to be honest. I'm a bit surprised that it's quite short actually. But anyway, you have coax, and you have like the volume treble. This is the treble. This is the bass, and this you can also select the input types and stuff. Talking about input types, if we go around the front again, you will see this has a tiny OLED screen here. It's not actually very tiny, it's quite big, to be honest, and a very proud high-res logo. So with the remote, you can actually just select the types and it will come up here, which is very good because on the Edifier, the ones I have been using, and I'll again include them in the comparison later on, the remote was, I don't know, it's garbage basically, and half of the time I would be wondering like if the input was actually changed or is the volume changing, or I'll be pressing it for long and before you know, your ears are bleeding. However, for the price I paid for them, I think about 99 Aussie dollars, and they were fairly good. Like, no complaints. I was trying not to break the bank, and it was all right. So yeah, I'll put a kind of a top-down shot of all the accessories I've got here. It's again very heavy, and I'll probably I think this each are, I don't know. I'll put the weight of the each speakers in the description below. You will see, and once I compare these with the existing ones and kind of give my opinion about how they sound, I'll put the description of the review of these speakers in this video later on. So thank you for watching. If you like, let me know what you want to know more, and if you like this, just feel free to give a thumbs up. This will help my channel. Thank you very much.